If you have been wondering how can you delete a video from TikTok because maybe you have uploaded it mistakenly or you have posted it before and now you changed your mind, you don't want people to see it. Today in this video I will show you exactly how, not only how to delete the video and also how to hide one from public if you just don't want people to see it and you want to keep it in your profile just for you. So follow up with me. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the TikTok app updated to latest version for this method to work properly. After updating your TikTok app, finally go ahead and open it, and of course you have to be logged in. After that, tap on your icon in the bottom right corner to take you to your profile right here. In your profile, find your video that you want to delete. Here it is in my private list. You can find it in your posts, favorites, whatever. Anyways, let's go back to my video. So I go back to private, open the video that you want to delete, of course. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the video right here. A menu will pop up from the bottom. This little menu have a lot of options here. Swipe until you find the privacy options right there. So as you can see here, it says, let me find it. Here it is. Privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on privacy settings. This is if you want to only hide it from public so that only you can see it. Tap there and tap only me, and just like that, you're the only one that can see that video. But if you want to delete it completely, go to the three dots right there and then tap on delete. Tap on delete again, and it will be deleted permanently and completely from your profile, just like that. Now if you want to remove a video from your liked list, just tap on the liked list right there and then tap on the video that you want to remove from that list and remove your like by tapping on the heart again. Just like that, that video will be removed from your list. And that is basically how can you remove videos from your TikTok account or just hide them from public. And that is it for this video, guys. Please leave your concerns down in the comments, and if this video has helped you, please like and also comment about that in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, as it really does help the channel, and that is how can you support us. And thank you very much for watching.